Hey guys, I welcome you in this wonderful video. So there's something interesting that I want to share with you when it comes to trends and breakout. So we can see here we have a very interesting move going down, and if you can observe clearly, you can see that it's a downtrend because the market is made up of lower highs and lower lows. So as the market proceeds, the lows become lower and the highs become lower as well. And if you like, you can just drop your trend line all the way there to just confirm that it is indeed a downtrend. And if it's a downtrend, then there are usually two things that we look for as traders. Now, firstly, we look for a continuation, meaning we want to continue selling as the market goes down. So we're looking for selling opportunities. And then the second thing that we usually wait for is a breakout, which will confirm that, okay, now we are no longer selling, but we are shifting into the buy side. So we wait for a breakout so that we take those buying opportunities. And if you can see here, as the market moved down, we can see that here there was a breakout which approached. And let me just go to a smaller time frame so that you can see that clearly. Hey guys, before we can proceed, please note that this video is sponsored by Delta Exchange, an awesome cryptocurrency trading platform. So if you're interested in trading digital coins, be free to check them out. The links are in the description below. They are not just a trading platform, they also offer investment opportunities, meaning you'll be able to earn while you sleep through their investment strategies. So if you want to invest or trade digital coins, this is the best solution. They also offer some amazing bonuses when you fund your account. So it's up to 500 USD bonus when you fund your account. So be free to check them out. The links are in the description below. So we can see that we have a breakout all the way in the bottom here. And what a lot of traders will do is that when they say breakout, they will obviously enter on the opposing side, meaning here they will begin to execute those buying opportunities, because we know that indeed a breakout resembles a reversal. But what you need to know in this case is that I don't usually encourage traders to enter from a breakout there and there, because it is usually in the middle of a wave. That what you also have to keep in mind. You don't want to be entering in the middle of a wave. If you can see here, we can see that, okay, this corrective, it started all the way down here and it is still proceeding going up. And if you enter all the way around this spot, you're already entering in the middle of a wave. And if it's in the middle of a wave, you need to know that that wave is likely to end anytime. So what you are looking for as a trader is to enter in the beginning of that wave, or in the beginning of that direction that we are anticipating. So if you can see here, there's something that I pointed out on the downtrend, that the downtrend, we can see that it is giving us lower lows and lower highs. So that's what makes it a downtrend. It's the highs that become lower and the lows that becomes lower. So what you need to know is that for you as a trader to shift and begin to execute trades on the opposite side, meaning to buy or to begin to take those buying opportunities, we need this flow to be opposed, or we need it to be broken. What is the flow that I'm talking about? It is obviously the lower highs and the lower lows. We need them to be opposed or to be broken. So as long as the market is not giving you an opposite of lower highs and lower lows, we are not looking for those buying opportunities. So what's the opposite? It is obviously higher highs and higher lows. So those are the things that we're waiting for as traders. It is the market to give us highs which are higher than the previous one, and lows which are higher than the previous one. So here we can see already that if I can extend my resistance, you can see here that already the previous resistance is broken, meaning it is likely that the market is already going to give us a high which is higher than that previous one all the way there. But it doesn't mean that you have to buy from here. There is one thing that you are waiting for, and it is what? It is the low, which is obviously going to be higher than that previous one. And then once you see that structure formed, or once you see that structure being completed, then you need to know that that may be the right time for you to execute that buying opportunity. But as long as that structure is not formed, it is not yet the right time for you. Why is it not yet the right time for you? It is because still the market, let me change the color. It is because the market can still go down and continue with its initial flow. So this low here, it is gonna be the main confirmation that indeed now it's over with the sellers and the buyers have taken over. But as long as the buyers did not give us a low which is higher than the previous one, then we are not taking that as an uptrend. So you have to wait for that to be formed. That's why we have reversal patterns. It is because reversal patterns, they preach the exact thing that I'm sharing with you now. For an example, I will make an illustration with a head and shoulder pattern. We'll have a head and shoulder pattern like this, and we are encouraged that, okay, you can enter after the market moves above the neckline. Why is that the case? It is because of this here. We already have a low that is higher than the previous one, and once the market breaks the neckline, it automatically means that we have a high which is going to be higher than the previous one. So the pattern is being completed by receiving these lows which are higher than the previous one, and then obviously the high which is coming here, which is gonna be a higher high. So you have to make sure that you don't just enter anyhow. You make sure that you wait for those confirmations to be clear that, okay, now the market have shifted from the seller trend into the buyer trend. So even in these cases, make sure that you wait for the high and the lows to be higher and higher to confirm that indeed the buyers, they are here giving you that momentum that you need. So I'm just gonna keep it short and leave it here. Thank you guys for watching.